Happy Lunar New Year, guys, and happy Chinese New Year celebration to all the teachers the world over. In today's video, I'd like to discuss with you three things you've got to bear in mind before making your trip to Thailand or before making your Thai visa application. And as you already know, right now there is the E-Visa application system for all visa categories in the kingdom. The first thing you have to bear in mind is the type of visa. If you intend to come over and work as a teacher, then you should definitely apply for non-B. That's a visa you need to stay and work legally in the kingdom. And in as much as you apply for the visa, you should be able to provide responses to the immigration officers at the level of the airport that relates to your workload or area of work. And if you go for other visa categories, maybe for the purpose of traveling and leisure, like tourist visa, you should be able to respond to basic questions at passport control at the airport and make sure whatever responses you provide is in line with your visa category. Some of you make the mistake of coming in with a tourist visa, and when questioned at the airport, you tell the immigration officers that you intend to look for work. That's a no, because they will definitely stop you from coming in, and this might result to your imminent deportation. If you have a tourist visa and you want to work, you should definitely try how to push that under the carpet, maybe by telling them that you are here for tourism and you leave the kingdom. But once you are in, you may want to hurriedly and get a job that will help you change your visa situation. So this is what you should bear in mind. And I decided to make this point the very first point of discussion because it's very important and people get confused about what to expect at passport control and how to go about responding to such questions. The next thing you should definitely understand is your stay in the kingdom. If you're on a tourist visa, it's compulsory that you arrange for an accommodation in advance before your arrival. Some hotels will ask for pre-deposit, others might not. A booking is okay, booking will suffice. But what is important is for you to know exactly where you will be living once you're in Thailand. Immigration will definitely ask you because they want to know if you know where you're going to, or you can properly look after yourself while traveling in Thailand. For teachers, if you're coming in and they ask where you intend to live, just tell them that your school will provide accommodation, or if you are lucky, your school might have already arranged for accommodation for you. If not, it's normal that you will go and look for accommodation at the work location, your area of work. In most cases, you may arrive and stay in a nearby hotel for a few days while searching for accommodation. But just make sure you have to present a convincing narration to the immigration officer that you can take care of yourself and, of course, you know what you're doing. And the last point you should bear in mind is your visa validity. All Thai visas has 90 days validity. But if you intend to live longer in the kingdom, you have to be able to extend this visa. And for teachers, your employer will help you to extend the visa. Whereas for tourists, once you come in, you have the first 60 days stamp in your passport. After that, you can visit any of the immigration office to apply for an extension, which is 30 days. And after that, you have to leave the kingdom, unless you're on a multi-entry tourist visa. With this, you can exit and come back in and go through the same process. But if you are on a single re-entry visa, then you have to leave after 90 days. For teachers, don't make the mistake of allowing your non-B visa to expire. Before that 90 days, remind your employer to prepare the necessary documents and take you to the nearest immigration office for extension. And a point of note to those that might come in with non-B and fail to work with the school that issued that non-B, it might be almost impossible to transfer a non-B visa to a new school because right now the law is serious on that. If you have a non-B, you have to at least work with that school. There should be an extension. It's easier for you to carry an extension to another school, but it's much more difficult to carry a non-B visa to a new school. So take note of this. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel, and of course show some more support by signing up for channel membership. And if you have any queries or you need help, feel free to get in touch through my email or WhatsApp number that is in the description section of this video. Bye for now.